Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session we will see this Otter Z5 series thermal switch. It is a temperature control switch. Most of the time it is used in the boiler jugs, the water boilers. When the temperature will reach at a specific temperature, at that time the steam will reach here and it will sense the temperature. When the switch is powered on, at that time this bimetallic plate will operate and it will just push this inner end and it will activate the actuator and the switch will trip. This time the temperature is normal, so it is not tripping off. When we will heat up, let's test it. Set multimeter to continuity. Now it is off position. When we will turn on, now it will apply power through these contacts. It is 15 ampere thermal contacts. We can say it can operate up to 3 kilowatt load. 15 ampere contacts inside. Now when I will heat up, suppose the steam is reaching here. It is tripped off. Now if we will turn on again, it is powered on. Until the temperature is low, it will remain on. As soon as the temperature will increase, it will trip. So it is its testing. You can use series lamp to test it. Just only apply series lamp here and power on. The lamp must on. When you will heat up, it will trip. So in this way we can test these thermal switches. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.